Watch and learn how to add user-defined fields in Smartenance. Click on Administration. Here you will find the tab User-Defined Fields. There are 3 categories in which you can create user-defined fields: machines, incidents, and tasks. The Add Field button allows you to create a new field for the selected category. There are 4 types of custom fields: a text field, a number field, a date field, a list of predefined values for a drop-down menu. You can specify whether a multiple selection should be possible in the list. Values can be entered manually or imported as a list via a CSV file. Click on the Upload CSV button for the import. Select the desired file and confirm with Open. You have the possibility to add or replace your existing list with the CSV file. You will now see the imported values from our sample file. The structure of the CSV file must look as follows. Column A contains the individual values one below the other. Each line means another entry. In order to save your new field, a name must be assigned. Optionally, a more detailed description of the field is also possible. The saved field now appears in your list in alphabetical order. And this is how it is displayed in the system for the user. For incidents, there is another option, the signature field. This allows you to have your employees bindingly acknowledge changes to the fault states. In addition, you can specify in which change state of a malfunction the field must be obligatorily processed. Multiple selection is possible.